To view the 26as statement, which contains crucial details such as tax deductions by creditors and debtors, advanced and self-assessment taxes, as well as tax refunds and annual information returns, it is essential to access this statement. The statement can be accessed for confirmation that your bank has provided accurate tax details or as proof that the tax has been collected or deducted. The steps to follow are visiting the TDS Reconciliation Analysis and Correction Enabling System, also known as the TRACES portal, and providing your PAN details to access the site. Once logged in, you can easily access and view your Form 26as or 26as statement. Alternatively, some banks allow access to Form 26as via online banking, where your PAN may be linked to your bank account, enabling quick viewing of the 26as statement. Another option is to use the National Security Depositories Limited to access the list of registered banks authorized to provide 26as statement details. This can be a useful alternative if you are unsure about using your bank account or if your bank offers the service. Overall, viewing your 26as statement is a straightforward process.